Hello, my name is Miles Harris. You're about to see a H.O. Bachmann track in action. This is the H.O. scale. I have DC and DCC trains. And this is the Amtrak. And I have 22 radius turn tracks, basically. So that's basically mostly it. If you wanna get like any Amtrak like this, you can go to Trainland, located in Lynbrook, by Dunkin' Donuts in Lynbrook, Nassau County, Long Island, and it says Trainland. And there you have Bachmann trains, HO scale, N scale, O scale, and G scales. So this is it. Goodbye.